Question 1. Velikonda group of low hills is a structural part of.
Velikonda Hills are located in Andhra Pradesh and are a part of the Eastern Ghats system. Final answer. C. Eastern Ghats.
Question 2. Which one of the following is a landlocked harbour?
A. Vishakhapatnam. It is a natural harbour on the east coast, not landlocked. B. Ennore. It is a man-made, landlocked harbour located near Chennai, Tamil Nadu. C. Mumbai. It is a natural harbour located on the west coast of Maharashtra. D. Haldia. It is a riverine port located in West Bengal, not landlocked. Final answer. B. Ennore.
Question 3. Statement 1. India's offshore and deep-sea fish catch is very poor considering the marine potential. Statement 2. Indian coast does not have many gulfs, bays, estuaries and backwaters.
Statement 1. True, India has huge marine potential, but offshore and deep-sea fishing is still underdeveloped, so catch is poor. Statement 2. False, Indian coast has many gulfs, Khambhat, Kutch, bays, Bay of Bengal, estuaries, Mahandi, Godavari, Narmada, and backwaters, Kerala. Final answer. C. Statement 1 is true, but Statement 2 is false.
Question 4. Which one of the following ports is located on estuary?
Answer 4. A. Kandla, located in Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat, not an estuary. B. Marmgaon, located in Goa on Arabian Sea coast, not an estuary. C. Kolkata, Haldia, located on the Hooghly River estuary, West Bengal. D. Tuticorin, located in Tamil Nadu on Gulf of Mannar, not an estuary. Final answer. C. Kolkata, Haldia.
Question 5. Which of the following statements about the olive ridley turtles are correct? 1. They are the smallest and most abundant of all sea turtles found in the world. 2. They live in warm waters of Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Oceans. 3. The Coromandel Coast in India is the largest mass nesting site for the olive ridley turtles.
Answer 5. 1. True, olive ridley turtles are the smallest and most abundant sea turtles. 2. True, found in warm waters of Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans. 3. False, the largest mass nesting site is Gahirmatha Coast in Odisha, not the Coromandel Coast. Final answer. B. 1 and 2 only.
Question 6. Which one of the following states has more than 2 major ports? A. Maharashtra. B. West Bengal. C. Odisha. D. Tamil Nadu.
Answer 6. A. Maharashtra has 2 major ports, Mumbai and Jawaharlal Nehru, Nhava Sheva. B. West Bengal has 1 major port, Kolkata Haldia. C. Odisha has 1 major port, Paradip. D. Tamil Nadu has 3 major ports, Chennai, Ennore, Kamarajar, and Tuticorin. Final answer. D. Tamil Nadu.
Question 7. Which one of the following is not correct regarding South India? A. Diurnal range of temperature is less. B. Annual range of temperature is less. C. Temperature is high throughout the year. D. Extreme climatic conditions are found.
Answer 7. A. Diurnal range of temperature is less. Correct for South India due to maritime influence. B. Annual range of temperature is less. Correct, since temperatures remain almost uniform year-round. C. Temperature is high throughout the year. Correct, being tropical region. D. Extreme climatic conditions are found. Not correct, as South India generally has moderate climate. Final answer. D. Extreme climatic conditions are found.
Question 8. Which one of the following seaports gained significance for handling iron ore exports to Japan? A. Kandla. B. Ennore. C. Kochi. D. Mormugao.
Answer 8. A. Kandla mainly handles petroleum, chemicals, and fertilizers, not iron ore exports to Japan. B. Ennore handles coal and automobiles, not known for iron ore exports to Japan. C. Kochi majorly handles petroleum products and spices, not iron ore. D. Mormugao, located in Goa, gained significance for handling iron ore exports to Japan. Final answer. D. Mormugao.
Question 9. The government wants to prepare a plan for drought-prone areas of the country. Which one of the following regions will be predominantly focused? A. Coastal Andhra Pradesh. B. Ganga Plains. C. Northeastern region. D. Kutch region.
Answer 9. A. Coastal Andhra Pradesh receives good rainfall from monsoon and cyclones, not drought-prone. B. Ganga Plains fertile and well-watered by rivers, not drought-prone. C. Northeastern region, high rainfall region, least prone to drought. D. Kutch region arid and semi-arid zone, highly drought-prone. Answer. D. Kutch region.
Question 10. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. List 1 Waterfall. A. Barkana. B. Dudhsagar. C. Duduma. D. Kilur. List 2 State. Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Karnataka, Goa. Code. A. A 3B to C4 D1. B. A 3B4C to D1. C. A 1B4C to D3. D. A 1B to C4 D3.
Answer 10. A. Barkana Karnataka 3. B. Dudhsagar Goa 4. C. Duduma Odisha 2. D. Kilur Tamil Nadu 1. Final answer B. A 3B4C to D1.
Question 11. Which of the following statements about the coasts of India are correct? 1. The west coast of India is a high rocky, retreating coast. 2. The west coast of India is dominated by erosional landforms. 3. The east coast of India, however, is a low sedimentary coast exhibiting depositional forms. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.
Answer 11. 1. West coast is high, rocky and retreating. Narrow plain with sea cliffs correct. 2. West coast dominated by erosion. Strong Arabian Sea waves form erosional features correct. 3. East coast is low and sedimentary. Wide deltas with depositional forms correct. Final answer D. 1, 2 and 3.
Question 12. In which one of the following highlands of India can you find temperate forests called sholas? A. Nilgiris. B. Vindhyas. C. Satpuras. D. Himalayas.
Answer 12. A. Nilgiris. Correct. Sholas are unique montane forests of Nilgiri hills. B. Vindhyas. Not correct. Mostly dry deciduous forests, no sholas. C. Satpuras. Not correct. Known for teak sal forests, not sholas. D. Himalayas. Not correct. Have temperate forests, but not called sholas. Final answer. A.
Question 13. Which one of the following Indian states has the longest coastline? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Andhra Pradesh.
Answer 13. B. Gujarat. A. Tamil Nadu. Not correct. Coastline 1076 kilometers, shorter than Gujarat. B. Gujarat. Correct. Longest coastline in India, 1600 kilometer. C. Maharashtra. Not correct. Coastline 720 kilometers. D. Andhra Pradesh. Not correct. Coastline 972 kilometers.
Question 14. Consider the following clues about a state of India. It is known as Land of Red River and Blue Hills. It contains 3 of the 6 physiographic divisions of India. It covers about 2.39% of total areas of the country. Identify the state on the basis of the given clues. A. Karnataka. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Assam. D. Chhattisgarh.
Answer 14. A. Karnataka. Not correct. Known as land of coffee and silk, not Red River and Blue Hills. B. Andhra Pradesh. Not correct. Coastal state, not identified with Red River and Blue Hills. C. Assam. Correct. Called Land of Red River, Brahmaputra, and Blue Hills, covers 2.39% of India's area. D. Chhattisgarh. Not correct. Known as Rice Ball of India, not Red River and Blue Hills. Final answer. C. Assam.
Question 15. Which coastal city is famous for its IT and software industry? A. Chennai. B. Mumbai. C. Visakhapatnam. D. Kochi.
A. Chennai. Correct. Major coastal hub for IT and software industry. B. Mumbai. Not correct. Famous for finance and Bollywood, not IT focus. C. Visakhapatnam. Not correct. Known for port and steel industry, not leading in IT. D. Kochi. Not correct. Known for spices and shipping, limited IT presence. Final answer. A. Chennai.
Question 16. The strategic significance of coastal plains in India also includes A. Promotion of agriculture. B. Facilitating international relations. C. Increasing forest cover. D. Enhancing mining activities.
Answer 16. A. Promotion of agriculture, not correct. Agriculture is common but not the main strategic role. B. Facilitating international relations, correct. Coastal plains enable ports and trade links with other countries. C. Increasing forest cover, not correct. Plains are not forest-dominated regions. D. Enhancing mining activities, not correct. Mining is mainly in plateau areas, not coastal plains. Final answer. B. Facilitating international relations.
Question 17. Which of the following states is not located along the eastern coastal plains? A. Odisha. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. West Bengal.
Answer 17. Odisha located on eastern coastal plains. Andhra Pradesh located on eastern coastal plains. Tamil Nadu located on eastern coastal plains. West Bengal lies on Ganga-Brahmaputra delta, not on eastern coastal plains. Final answer, D. West Bengal.
Question 18. The fishing industry in the coastal plains primarily supports which segment of the population? A. Industrialists. B. Fishermen and their families. C. Agriculturalists. D. Service sector employees.
Answer 18. Industrialists not mainly dependent on fishing. Fishermen and their families directly dependent on fishing industry. Agriculturalists dependent on farming, not fishing. Service sector employees not related to fishing industry. Final answer, B. Fishermen and their families.
Question 19. Which region is referred to as the Pearl of the Orient? A. Goa. B. Kerala. C. Mumbai. D. Kochi.
Answer 19. Goa popularly known as the Pearl of the Orient. Kerala known as God's own country. Mumbai known as financial capital of India. Kochi known as Queen of the Arabian Sea. Final answer, A. Goa.
Question 20. Which coastal plain is known for its significant biodiversity and wildlife sanctuaries? A. Coromandel Coast. B. Malabar Coast. C. Sundarbans. D. Konkan Coast.
Answer 20. Coromandel Coast known for ports and cyclones, not major biodiversity. Malabar Coast famous for backwaters and spices. Sundarbans known for rich biodiversity and Royal Bengal tiger. Konkan Coast known for beaches and ports. Final answer, C. Sundarbans.